Well, let's find out.
Now, I should stress that we have not modified the structure or the suspension or the roof of the car in any way. We've simply added a 100-kilogram roof rack, and in a minute or so we're going to be trying to land a 600-kilogram helicopter on top of it. 700 kilograms on the roof. Don't look at the helicopter, just look at the speed.
It was crucial that I kept the throttle pedal as steady as a rock.
Here he comes. Problem is, a car is very quick to respond. One twitch of your foot, that's disastrous from the helicopter, because that's very slow to respond. I can feel the car being pushed down now by the blade.
Abort.
Is he aborted? A million things can go wrong with this, and all of them end up with a fireball and me with no head on. Okay, we'll have another go. Here he comes. I can hear it. I don't know where it is.
It was a lot worse for the pilot, though.
He cannot see the car when he lands. He has no reference points. Is he down? He's down. Ooh. Ease it down, not too sharply. I do not want a 150,000-pound helicopter jerking off and landing on the bonnet. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Skoda Yeti with a helicopter on the roof.